Have you ever been to McDonald's drive-thru? Well, I know that's kind of a stupid question. I think everybody's been through McDonald's drive-thru once or twice in their life. How many of you ever paid any attention when you're at McDonald's drive-thru, and let's say, for example, you see like right here on your screen, you pick the number 3 value meal here, which is the double quarter pounder with cheese meal. And when you tell the teller at the window that this is what you want the number 3 value meal, and then what do they say next? They say, do you want the small, you want the medium, or do you want the large? As you see, there's 3 different price ranges here that you can choose from. So you sit there and you think for a moment and you think, hell, I don't know, just give me the medium, because it's right in the middle, knowing that the small is the cheaper, the medium's a little bit more expensive, and the large is the most expensive, right? Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a method of marketing Clickbank products that goes along this same style of marketing that McDonald's uses every time you drive through their drive-thru. Okay? Well, guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. You want to see this? Sit back and relax. There's some steps we're going to go through here to show you how to use this same style of marketing that McDonald's uses, because it's pretty powerful marketing. And if it works for them, it ought to work for us too as well. Alrighty? Well, first of all, let's go over here and get the things out of the way. I want to invite those of you that are new to my channel or new to my videos. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And since this is your first time here to my videos and you're not yet subscribed, well, while we're talking about it here and you're thinking about it, reach down there below your video right now. Click that little red subscribe button that you see there, and then right beside it, there's going to be a little bell there. Make sure that you click that little bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel, because I'm trying to always help people bring more time and financial freedom into their lives with each and every video that I upload here. Alrighty? Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. First thing you want to do is you want to come over to Clickbank. If you don't have a account at Clickbank, it's free to create one. Just come to clickbank.com. You can sort of see it right here in the address bar possibly. And come over here, and it's free to sign up. Just click on create an account, sign up. And if you're living in another country where you can't access Clickbank, you can do this same method with Digistore 24 products, digistore24.com products, and you can access that from anywhere in the world because it's based in Germany. And I like to call it the sister site to Clickbank because it's basically run the very same way with the same kinds of products on it. Once you get signed up with Clickbank, they will send you an email confirmation. Make sure you check that out and get verified. Come back and get logged in, and you want to click right up here where it says Marketplace, where you see my mouse is right here, and then it brings you over to this page right here. What's the Marketplace? Now, guys, I'm going to be using, for this method, to show you how to do this method, I'm going to be using the affiliate marketing niche, or the make money niche. Now, you can do this in any of these niches that you want. As you can see down here in the column on the left, I'm already in the affiliate marketing niche. But you can do this in the health and fitness. You can do this in the relationship, self-help, or parenting and families. You can do this in whatever niche you want. But the thing is we're going to be picking 2 products here. We're going to give people a choice between 2. A expensive one or high ticket one, and one that's a little bit cheaper, just like they do at McDonald's, right? They give you a choice. All right, so for this example, what I'm going to be choosing, I'm going to be using this particular product right here. You can see right here, it's the 12-minute affiliate system, and you can make $157.59 per sale on that. So we're going to be using that particular product. And then we're going to also pick a higher ticket product down through here, such as this one right here, the Super Affiliate System, John Crestani's Auto Webinar. And you can make $726 per sale on this particular product here. So we're going to be giving people a choice between 2, although they're not going to know how we're marketing this to them, but they're going to be able to choose between 2, and you have an opportunity to make money either way with this particular method. It's just a great method here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our affiliate links, and all we got to do is click on promote right here. So if we click on promote, and stick around, guys, I'm going to show you how to market this. One way that you can market this as well, but you're going to have to use your creativity and imagination on other ways that you can market it off of what I'm going to show you here. So stick around, keep watching this video, and don't skip ahead, because there's a lot of details I'm going to show you here. All right, so what to do, make sure that your account nickname is in here, and if you want to use a tracking ID, that's optional. I'm not going to do it for this method here. And I'll just click right here, and we'll open that up, and that gives us our hop link right here. And it just doesn't make much difference. We don't need to take this to Bitly and shorten it up. We're just going to use it just as it is. And what I'm going to do is open up my notepad, because we want to save these links. So if we click copy here, close that out, and we'll call this one the 12-minute system. And then we'll paste that link there. And then we'll come back and get our little bit higher ticket one here. Where was that? Right here. And we'll click promote on that. And I'm going to choose this particular one right here, this order overview page, because it shows the price of the product. Okay? So I'm going to click generate hop link, and I'm going to copy that and close the window out, paste that into this, call this the JC, or John Crestani link, and we're going to paste that there. And what it is, I'm going to show you what this does. So if we paste that link in here and go to it, as you can see, it brings it over, and you see the Super Affiliate System Pro coaching program here, and it shows the price of the product. That's what we want them to be able to see, the price of the product right here. All right, and then it tells a whole bunch about it and down through here and what you can get, and so on and so forth. It's a really good product. We have our links to our particular product. We have this one here that's the cheaper product, and then we have this one here that's the more expensive product, right? All right, so what we want to do then is we want to come over to this site right here, guys. This site here, as you can see it up here in the address bar, it's Snipply, SINPLY.io. You see it right there in the address bar. And this site here is we can add a call to action to every shortened link that we share here. And this is a really good site. They have a free method. They also have a paid method too, but you don't need the paid methods for this particular method that I'm showing you today. Alrighty? So what we want to do is come over here to this site, and this site, as you can look down through here, it has a lot of different features to it that you can use, and you can even track your results and so on and so forth. It's a really good site with a good way to use this particular method that I'm showing you today. So what we want to do is we want to get signed in. It's free to sign up here, guys. Just click sign in, and you can see right here that you can sign up with your Twitter account, your Facebook account, or you can just create a local account right here by using your full name and email address and then a password. Now I've already got an account here, so I'm going to come right down here and click where it says log in right here, and then just go ahead and sign right into the account. So get signed up and come over and get logged in on this site, and this is what you'll see when you get logged in. It brings you to the back dashboard right here. And what we are going to do is we're going to create a link using both these products right here that we picked. All right, we're going to take the link to the more expensive product and put it in and load it up here on this. Now watch how this works. So I'm going to take the Crestani, our affiliate link for John Crestani's product right here, and we'll just copy that, make sure it's copied, right? And then we're going to paste it in right here. We're going to create what's called a snip. See that right there? I'm going to paste that link right in there, and then click on create snip. Now what it's going to do is it's going to load that up right here. I'll give it a few moments to load it up, and there you go. You see that, guys? It loaded up this particular page to John Crestani's product right here, showing the price. Now if you look right down here, this is going to be our snip right here. And what we want to do is just going to bring it here. I'm going to click on here, and we're going to create a button. I'll use a button link, which is already right there what it says, and then we want to enter a message in here. Now this is where we're going to come back to our 12-minute affiliate, and we're going to put it down here. We're going to open it up. If I click on the page here, and we're going to take some information from this particular page right here. Pick this information right here. Launch your brand new internet business before you go to bed tonight. Right off of here, I'm going to copy that, bring that back over here, and I'm going to enter it in right here. All right, and you can see if you look down here, right down to the left of me right here at the bottom, you can see it's put that information in right there. Okay, and then we're going to, our button text, which is click here, I'm going to change that up to yes, get instant access. See that, how it changed the button down there? It's got kind of got me in the background here, but I'll move myself out of the way here a little bit so you can see. And you can see down here that it has added that information on this right here. Now, what we want to do is we're going to put in our button URL. So we're going to come back and get our affiliate link to the 12-minute affiliate system right here, guys. Ready? Click, right click, copy that. And we're going to paste it right in here. All right, and then we're going to click on continue. And then it wants us to, we can make a different theme or whatever. It doesn't matter. You can make a different theme, make it look different, and so on and so forth. But we're just going to leave it go at that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on finish the call to action right here. All right, now you see it's given us this link right here. This is the link that we want right here. We're going to copy that link, and I'm going to paste it in down here underneath all this in my notepad, so we have it, right? And then we'll just go ahead and we'll paste it in here in a new tab, and we'll see what happens here. So when someone clicks on our Snipply link, it brings them over. It loads up the John Crestani page that you see here, and then they see the $9.97, guys. And if they click here, it's going to take them over, and they can purchase, and we're going to make some good money directly off this. We're going to make what, 700 and what did it say? 726.71 if they decide to click on that button right there, and they can read this. But if you'll notice that down here at the left, look right down here. Here's our Snipply link right here. You see, and it says right here, launch your business tonight before you go to bed tonight, and they'll see this. And this one is only $9.95. So if they click on this one, and they click yes, get instant access, because they see that, because it's related to make money online, just like the John Crestani one, because they're thinking, just like you sitting at the McDonald's drive-thru, you're thinking, well, do I want the small, the medium, or the large? Well, they see that this one's $9.97, but they see another one down here that's talking about how to make money as well, even before they go to bed. So if they click on that, that opens that up, and it brings them over to this one right here, and they see this, and then they'll have an opportunity, and they'll say, oh, boy, look, this one's only $9.95 to get started with versus the $997. So which one do I want? Do I want the small or do I want the large? Well, some people will probably not balk at the $9.97, and some people will rather have the $9.95 one, which actually equals out to you making, if they purchase, it equals out to you making $157.59, just like that. So they have two options. They can choose the small or they can choose the large. You see how that works? Just like the McDonald's method. It's the same type of method. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you now, this is how they can do that. They're going to have their choice between the two. Now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to your affiliate links that you have right here through Snipply. Alrighty? Now, what you want to do is you want to come over here to a Facebook. You see I'm logged in. Now, this is one way I'm going to show you how to market this. You can use your creativity and your imagination to do it with other ways, with other free ways, or you can drive paid traffic to it too. You can use like Instagram, you can use Pinterest, you can use all kinds of other different ways that you can think of to market this. Reddit, it doesn't matter. LinkedIn, any of those sites. Even on Quora you can do this. All right, now, So you see I'm here at Facebook. I'm logged into my account. I clicked on the groups button right here, guys. And over here, since my niche is the make money online niche, I typed in make money online. And you can see right here, of doing a search of these groups, it brings up all kinds of groups that have to do with making money online. And they all have thousands and thousands of members in each one of these, guys. Look at this. You can see this right here. It just goes on and on and on. What you need to do is join a few of these groups. Join as many of these groups as you want. It's recommended to join a lot of them, because the more that you do this, the more opportunity you're going to have. Now, here's what you're going to do. When you join a group, you do not want to spam your Snipply link in these groups. You do not do that. What you want to do is you want to give them a little bit of value. In fact, I've given you a little script. I've written a script up right here. What you can do is you can use something along this line. What we're going to do is we're going to ask them in the group for some help, right? If you'll notice, look at the script that I wrote right here. It says, hi. It says, need help, please. Does anybody know if this is a good deal or not to make money online? I'd like to know if anybody else has had a good experience with this system. And then I said, thanks for your help, and you're going to paste your Snipply link right there. You see that, guys? So we'll come back here, copy our Snipply link, and then we'll just simply paste it right there, just like that. And that's what you're going to post into the groups on Facebook that you see here, and you're going to ask for help. And as they click on that Snipply link, and they come over, and they'll end up deciding, they'll make a choice whether they want the $9.97 one, or they'll look down here and they'll see this one here, launch your brand new internet business before you go to bed tonight, which is sort of related, right? Keeping the niche the same. And if they click on this one instead of this one here, it doesn't matter. They're going to see it, and you're going to make money each way they do it. Some people may choose the higher ticket, some may choose the lower ticket. It doesn't make any difference. Either way, you're going to make money. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. I wanted to show you a sort of a McDonald's type of marketing method that you could use with Clickbank products or Digistore 24 products. Just pick a high one and a low one and set up your Snipply account, your Snipply with that, and you can drive traffic to that and give people a choice. They either want the small or they want the large. Guys, if you like this method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you have any comments about this video or any questions, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my #1 affiliate marketing business that I do, reach down there and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch my free video that'll show you how you can make high ticket sales, higher ticket than even this right here, and make yourself some really good money with affiliate marketing after you learn how to do that with a free system and tools that'll help you do that. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.